Hi there, Adam again from the Australian Importing Club. Today I wanted to talk to you about getting the right price, getting the correct price from your Chinese manufacturer. And it's funny that you might think it's about negotiation, but it's more about communication. You need to communicate in a certain way that doesn't offend Chinese people, that gains respect for you from these Chinese people, so that then you're offered the correct price. The correct price is also about quality, don't forget. So you want to get a quality product at a good price. A cheap product at a cheap price won't necessarily provide you the profit margin that you're looking for, whereas a good quality product at a good price might allow you the bigger margin. And margins are what it's all about. It's so addictive going and finding new products that provide huge margins, and obviously it's fun to make money at a rapid rate. So I urge you to look for quality suppliers, but then negotiate and communicate in the right way. You're not going to find the right price and the right quality combination on Alibaba.com. There's much more work to do than that. But once you do and put in that effort, you'll have a quality supplier at the right price. Keep in mind also that trading companies are going to be more expensive than the factory direct, because they are the middleman again, and they're putting a cut on top so that they make money. So it's fair enough. It may be useful to you if you're looking at really small quantities, but generally the right price isn't with a trading company, it's with a factory. As I said, it's not about negotiating, but more about communicating in the correct manner. If you get the best factory that's available and you communicate with them properly and how you should, and the way that we've learned over the years, you'll automatically get given the right price. So it's not so much about negotiation, but about being respected by your Chinese factory. Because at the end of the day, they don't really need you. We are a small market, and if you're a startup business, it's going to be a fairly small order. You need to impress them. And we'll show you how to do that at our workshop. Hopefully, we'll see you there soon. I know there's one coming up shortly. So I hope this information again has been valuable, and we go into this more in depth at our next workshop. See you soon.